By connecting your Insta360 X3 to your phone, whether it's an iPhone or Android, you'll be able to control it, such as taking photos or videos, with your smartphone, and also view or edit the media files. Here's how easily you can do it. The very first thing that you need to do is install the Insta360 app, and it's available in both Google Play Store and Apple's App Store. Search Insta360 and make sure the author is Insta360 as well. Now go ahead and install and open it. Now make sure to allow any permissions that it asks for. And then you need to turn on Bluetooth on your smartphone. Then it will ask you to log in with an Insta360 account. If you don't want to create an account, then you can press the back button and hit skip. So this will save you a lot of time. Then it will ask you to grant photo permission. For privacy, it's best to select limit access. Now that it's searching for your Insta360, turn on your X3, and in a second, your X3 will show up. Tap on Connect, and for the first time, you'll need to allow the permission from the device. Then your phone will need to join to your X3's Wi-Fi, so tap on Join. There you go. Your X3 is now connected. So now if you tap on the camera button to start recording with your Insta360. And that's how easy it is. Hope this helped. Stay tuned for more.